Hello everyone, my name is Belik and you're watching Belik Robotics. In today's video we are going to improve our model which we have made earlier. So we have done multiple concepts after that video and now we are able to improve our model. So without wasting much time, let's jump to our notebook. Okay, so first of all, let's open our notebook and make our duplicate notebook. Mhm. Save a copy in Drive. Okay, this will create a copy. Yeah. Let's rename it to improving improving our first NN, right? Let's run this notebook. Okay, so if you didn't remember, then this was a model which did very bad. You know, uh, it's loading still. Oh yeah. So let's see some concepts. In the meantime, it's loading. So these are the hyperparameter: input layer shape, hidden layer, neuron per hidden layer, output layer shape, hidden activation, output activation, loss function, optimizer. So these are all hyperparameter I've already explained to you in several videos. So now let's see some common ways to improve our deep model. So we have some ways like adding layers, increase the number of hidden units, change the activation function, change the optimization function, change the learning rate, fitting on more data and fitting for longer. So let's do some thing on a notebook. Let's see. Okay, so this is our model. This is our prediction. First of all, let's add some more layers. Okay, just put a comma and paste, comma, paste. Generally, it is a good activity that we should add high number of neurons in the initial layer and then we should reduce it. Okay, so now we have a model with the three, like, let's visualize this first. Oh, so what we are making here is like three hidden layer and like, okay, so this doesn't, let's make this one. Okay, so let's say it have 8, this have 4, right? Then we will use our metric MAE only because it's good for what it's a regression, and instead of SGD let's use ADAM. Okay, and MAE loss all correct, all correct. Let's change epoch from 5 to 100, and I think what we did is this, a regression problem where we have used linear activation. Okay, and learning rate. Okay, let's see. So this is a model that we have like multiple inputs and some architecture like 8 neuron, 4 neuron, 1 neuron, linear activation function, and we will use for it 120 epoch. Let's see. Let's make it 120. Just shift enter, and this will fit for 120 epoch, and it's training. Okay, so you can see that our prediction line is like going more accurately. Let's tweak something more. Let's train it for more longer. I think 500. Okay, this will take some time because we are using 500 epochs. Okay, so so these two videos of the neural network building was the basic. This was just giving you a taste, that how we can make a model. From the next video, we are going to see like first of all we will going to do regression. After that, we will use classification. After that, we will go on the computer vision and like other deep learning techniques. So it's like let's see our the result and end this video. Okay, so you can see that we have a pretty much good result, and our model is giving something good than previous like 24, 24, 21, 20, 18, 17. So this is closed. Okay, the upper limit is like a little bit far, but the lower limit is close. And I think yes. So what we are observing from here, we get a similar result. Only like in the beginning, we got some difference, but it then fitted generally good. So this was all about like how we can tune the hyperparameter. Now we will make some more models, and we can like change here activation function to is like relu and other activation functions. So like let's meet in our second video where we are going to see the regression in more detail. So I think for this video it's enough. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet you in next video.